Now continuing again the video clip for Las Vegas. I guess they just call it that because of the gambling. I'm going to try to do the back streets now. That's the first homeless person I'm seeing in this town. It's always a shame when I see that in my travels. Some people have a whole lot and some people just don't have anything. They look like tourists over there. I can barely hear myself talk. My ears are stopped up. I'm going to do the middle streets. The inside streets. Like fruit markets and all these small malls. They have a pretty good bus system. This side of Bridgetown is a lot more crowded. It's busier. There you go, another KFC. Hey man, how you doing? Nice, nice. Oh, I'm gonna go inside streets. It's huge, Bridgetown. It's a big, big place. Sure love their KFC here. You can tell when somewhere is safe. If it was in some other countries, like when I was in India, someone be telling me, hold your camera. This is busy, busy here. This is the main street back here where it's happening. Thank you.
Must be a nice pedicure.
120. I almost got a pedicure.
You're fresh any souvenirs?
No, not today. Thank you. Yeah. Let me see, where do I go? Well, you've seen the back streets, or they have some Louis Vuittons there. Fendi. You've seen the back streets of Bridgetown. I think I've covered it from 3 angles now. I even showed you the talk more with the designers in it. And I'm going to end this part of the video, except I see something else that is interesting in Bridgetown. Everything looks interesting. It goes all the way down. That's the Popo station. Well, that's it for this part of the video. If you like the video, you can please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can leave a comment. This is Bridgetown, and that's the Popo over there. I don't know whether they can run after, they don't look like they can run after criminals. Maybe they can walk after them, but maybe I shouldn't be making jokes like that. That's it for this video. Over and out.